In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Mailchimp easily and efficiently. Sending an email campaign is an essential skill if you want to engage effectively with your audience, and Mailchimp makes the process simple. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard where you manage your campaigns and audience lists. From the dashboard, click the Create button. This is your starting point for setting up a new campaign. Next, choose Email under the Create a Campaign section to begin the process of building your email. When prompted to select the type of email, choose Regular. This option is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or general updates to your audience. Now give your campaign a name. Choose something clear and descriptive like March Newsletter so you can easily identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns. Next, click Add Recipients to choose who will receive your email. Select the appropriate audience or list. You can send your email to your entire list or target specific segments or tags for a more personalized approach. This flexibility helps improve engagement by delivering relevant content to the right people. After that, enter your from name and email address. These will appear in your recipient's inbox, so make sure they are recognizable and trustworthy. Now it's time to craft your subject line. Make it clear and attention-grabbing to increase your open rates. You can also add preview text, which gives readers a quick glimpse of your email content and encourages them to open it. Click Design Email to start creating your message. Mailchimp provides an easy drag-and-drop editor where you can add text, images, and buttons to match your brand and make your email visually appealing. Once your design is ready, click Preview to review how your email will look to recipients. It's a good idea to use the Send Test Email feature to check for any errors by sending a copy to yourself or a teammate. Finally, when everything looks good, you're ready to send. You can either click Send Now to deliver your email immediately, or choose Schedule to send it at a later time and date. And that's it. Your email campaign is now ready to go, helping you connect with your audience in a professional and effective way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials.